So much fun. Now the best part of this is decorating them. We're going to take a frosting, just a plain old vanilla frosting. Sometimes you can buy these in the store. You can make your own with a little bit of powdered sugar and butter. And put it on. And then, of course, what would a heart be without a little decoration? We're going to put some red sugar on top. Perfect. I love it. It's lots of fun. But that takes a lot of time. You have to roll it out. You have to cut it, bake it, decorate it. There's another thing we can do with this very same cookie dough. We can turn it into what's called a refrigerator cookie. It's the same dough, but what we're going to do is take the plastic wrap out. We're going to put the cookie dough in, and we're going to roll it into a log. Just like that. Then we're going to put it into the refrigerator, and when we want hot, fresh cookies, we're going to slice it and bake it. This is a great way to have cookies all week long from one baking section. Baking can be quite a messy proposition. You know, as much as your family loves your home-baked cookies, I would bet they would love you to clean up after yourself just as much. Now, if you like home-baked cookies but don't want to have all this mess, there's some great convenience products on the market. All you have to do is open the bag and add a few ingredients, and you can have the smell and almost the taste of a home-baked cookie. Come a little bit closer, because I'm going to reveal to you Grandma Miner's top secret recipe for peanut butter cookies. Are you ready? Okay. First, we're going to take 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. Then we're going to add 1 cup of sugar and 1 egg. That's it. Now we're going to cream that all together. And we are going to have the best peanut butter cookies you ever tasted. Okay, these are going to be molded cookies. We're going to take about a tablespoon and roll it into a ball and put it about 2 inches apart on our cookie sheet. And then we're going to mold them. Now these are pretty little molds. And we're going to dip it into sugar first and then down to create a pattern. That's pretty, but that's not how my grandma did it. She took a fork, dipped it in sugar, and pressed it one way, dipped it in sugar again, and pressed it another. These are the peanut butter cookies I grew up with. Now we just put them into a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes and enjoy. I have to say, looking at all these cookies, I think our chemical experiment is a grand success. We've made just about every kind of cookie there is. We've made drop cookies and bar cookies. We've made refrigerated cookies and rolled cutout cookies. And now we want them to stay as good as they are now tomorrow. So we have to store them carefully. We're going to put the crispy cookies, like the chocolate chips, in a loose container like a cookie jar. And we're going to put the soft cookies, like our peanut butter cookies, in a container with a really tight lid, like this. You know, I think it's time for you to go home and fill up your own cookie jar.
You never want to put the soft and the hard cookies together because the hard cookies will become soft. Happy baking!